Kublai pi baro kini longki kubor bam tagasngi. Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kisangma nekasngi palei ula ong ba kamlong kabasung ya ki bor sarkar bakin la Khang pura ya ke Jingtieh Ïong bean bar ya ke Jingkai ya Ïong ri ke Jing persang kalaya chasan. Ki bor sarkar kila le ya ke badai ban le bar kila register ki hajar teliki kes bad ki hajar ngut ki brio kila syakem bar syak charge sheet kat kabala ngina persang ban le ai ha ka ban pentikna bagina ban pendunai kene ka kam ba be an ong ukonran ukonran ula ong ka ba ar phi hapru ban sothu ya ka jing shisha halor kene ka kam baki brio kila le ya ka te ka rukom ti Ïong na do ki arspas ne mensha bar ka kamai ka ji jongkiru kaya na kene ka kam kat ba kam pat don ka wei pat kalat kamai ka ji ki brio kendang yai beteng ban le ya kini ki kam kamlong ka basuk ya ki bor sarkar ban Khang sendon ya ki aka baro ndrei ka jing persang kaladon ula penram ndrei Konrad ula ong ngi kemen ban yo i ba menta ka Jingtieh Ïong kat kum ka an kan sa sedang no bat ngin sayo ya ka Jingtieh Ïong da ka jing start sayan bat ngin sayo ru ya ki we kilat kamai ka ji la ka de ka kam rep kam riang la ne kam jngo kai bat ka ne ka de ka lenti ka bangin sayo i ha ka ban na penkut no ya ki ni ki kam be an.
Until and unless we are able to give alternatives to livelihood, until unless we cannot create parallel economies and systems, it is difficult and sometimes unfair for us to expect that people will switch in a matter of a day. Now we had 2014 when the Jingtieh came and they banned the unscientific mining that was going on in Meghalaya. Now this mining has been going on for 200 years by the people in that exact same way. May not be the best and the safest for the people, but that is what was happening. And suddenly in 2014, you just come in and you say, well, this is illegal. There are lakhs of families that are dependent on this particular livelihood program. Now I'm not trying to justify whether it's right or wrong. I'm just trying to give you a scenario. And I would presume and I would expect, and I would have looked at it from this way, that you need to allow the system to change. You need to give that option and that space for people to shift or transit into whatever is better. And hence, at the end of the day, while we look at this, and I hope this dialogue will look into that aspect, that we need to realize the reality of things. We need to keep the mindset. We need to realize that people's mindset is very important and how we're going to work through that mindset. And we need to realize that it has to be a transition that we're going to do. We can't expect things to change overnight. And that's the kind of dialogue that I hope that will take place. Realizing the facts, realizing the realities, not just of Meghalaya, of the globe and of India and of Northeast as a whole. And while you do that, how do we transit into an economy that is going to be much more sustainable, not just simply give an order tomorrow and say, well, these things have to change and you cannot do this from today.